Greetings, comrades. This is I'm Caleb, back with another unboxing video, kind of a small one. And yeah, this requires a little bit of a backstory. Well, last few weeks I've been getting back into VR because it's been a good minute since I played VR games. Mainly because of the headset, the HTC Vive Cosmos Elite. Great headset, and it works really well, but it's so uncomfortable for me. Like, because I shave my head, the hard plastic and the back strap kind of presses against my head, and it's really painful. So I have to like rest it on the top of my head so it's a little more comfortable, and it's a bit better for me. But eventually I'm gonna get a new VR headset. Well, I'm probably gonna get just a new headset. I don't need new controllers or anything like that. I'll probably just get a different Vive headset. It won't be till later down the road because VR is not a huge priority for me right now. That being said, I want to do VR videos again because it's been so long and I really miss doing them. You know, doing the HDVR videos, doing stupid stuff with guns and stuff like that, and even try out some other VR games that others might have overlooked. And well, I tried. One of the reasons I stopped making VR videos is because, well, the built-in headset microphone sucks. And I tried, I had two other microphones, my SteelSeries Alias and my old Blue Yeti microphone, but the first one, the SteelSeries microphone, it had audio cutoff for unknown reasons, and I don't know how to fix it. And the Yeti microphone, it won't be recognized by Windows 11 at all. So that's already $300 worth of microphones out the window. But I decided to get this microphone here because not only is it cheap, but it was on sale. The normal price was like $75, but I got it for a good sale, especially with the other thing it comes with. But this is one of the best-selling microphones on Amazon. This is the Fifine, I don't know how you pronounce it, X688 XLR USB dynamic podcast microphone. And I figured this would be a really good microphone to use because, well, I'm not going to be doing VR videos that much. And yeah, this is solely for VR videos because when it comes to like unboxings, I can use my phone here. And for, you know, recording other things with Bandicam, I can just use my Sennheiser headset. And that microphone's amazing, especially for the price. But I have seen videos comparing this microphone. Gears and Tech recently did a video of this, and I was blown away how good it sounds for the price. Better voice reproduction, USB-C connector, and XLR connection, which I'm using USB, of course, because I don't have those fancy audio setups that use XLR connections for microphones. So you do have that option for this, which is good. But yeah, it came in a few different colors, but I went with black, you know, black and blue. Though I do have a bit of a dilemma because, well, the second item it actually came with it. There was actually a sale if you get this, and this thing here is at a bigger discounted price. So this is around $53, but if I bought it compared with this, the microphone arm for it, it was around the same standard price as the microphone. So I had to go with it. But the thing is, my current desk, the way it is, it doesn't really accommodate boom arms that well because of the metal bars around the edges of the desk. They kind of get in the way of the clamps for the microphone arms and stuff. Because I have one for my older microphones, it won't fit, at least not securely. So what I may do is there's a small shelf on my desk, I might mount it there, or I might just go all redneck on it and just temporarily mount the boom arm on my dresser drawer, because, you know, that might work. Anyway, let's start with the microphone itself, and it looks like I don't need a knife. I brought my little dog puppy here, but it doesn't look like there's any tape on this. Yeah, it just flaps open like that. But before I do, let's check the rest of the box. Package contents, got the microphone with a built-in shock mount. That's good, Because if you don't have a shock mount and you actually hit your desk and your microphone's on it, it's gonna create distortions like nothing else. So yeah, if you're a hardcore streamer, so if you have a microphone, get a shock mount. They're not that expensive. One 8.2 foot USB-C to USB cable. Okay. You also got a one 5/8" male to 3/8" female adapter for the XLR, and a user manual. In the back, nothing on the back. Yeah, same thing on the top, which is in the front. Anyway, let's open it up. Ooh, pretty professional packaging here. It's got the user guide. You know the rules. You know, don't put it in the refrigerator. You know, don't use it as a makeshift bomb. You know, don't leave it outside, especially when it's raining. Anyway, what I heard is pretty straightforward. It's a plug-and-play device. You don't need a special app or anything like that, unless you're using XLR. But if you're using XLR microphones, you'll likely have a audio app for that already. So anyway, there's a protective foam. Here's a microphone itself. Pretty decent size, not overly huge or anything. I like how it's a built-in, you know, windscreen or pop filter, what you want to call it. Well, the pop filter is something you put in front of it, which would. I actually still have one of my pop filters. I might mount that later on. But yeah, pretty decent size, and the connections here. There's an XLR connection. There's a Type C as well as a headphone jack. So if you want to plug your headphones on that, you can. Got two volume knobs, one for the microphone and one for the headphones, which I'm not really going to use. But they're for the microphone, yeah. And of course, I'm using the USB connection because I don't have an XLR set up. And of course, we got the cable. It'd be weird if they have a USB microphone that doesn't come with a cable. So yeah, it's USB-A, USB-C, or the other way around, you know. So there's that, and got a little extra screw hole here. I guess as if you're going to use it on a different kind of boom arm, because certain boom arms have like different slots for different microphones, so it's nice that it comes with that. And I guess I think it's in here. No? Oh, no, that's not the XLR code. That's what this is referring to. Yeah, oh god, I was such an idiot. Y'all already knew that, though. Yeah, the male to female adapter, yeah, that's this. Okay. I thought it was referring to a separate cable, but no. Score one for my dumbassitude. Anyway, there's a microphone and stuff. I'm curious how it's going to sound when all said and done. And I guess we'll do the microphone arm next, which not the most exciting thing to unbox, but hey, it came with it, so I might as well. And I'm not really doing a microphone test in this video. You'll probably hear the quality as soon as I make a VR video. And so here's the desk clamp. Yeah, the packaging is just as, you know, non-exciting like the other one. It says adapter, boom arm, desk clamp, and user manual. So it looks like this might mount on a desk, but again, with the monitors and of course the PC in the way, not really gonna have a good place to mount this, though. I might try something. Okay, and here's the boom arm itself. Looks like the adapter's already on there. And yeah, it's pretty much like your standard boom arms. Okay, and let's see if this will fit in from the get-go. And it will. So I guess the other adapters are using a different boom arm. Okay. Looking good, and good thing the cable's a good length. It says 8.2 feet, so that's more than enough length to plug this in here and then hook it up to my PC. I'm curious how the audio is going to be, so I'll definitely do a little test of the VR video. I'm not going to upload that, and then you know how it sounds once I upload my first VR video in over a year. That's going to be exciting. Look forward to that again. And maybe in the future, I will get a new VR headset. But like I said, I already had the base stations, I already had the controllers. So I'm definitely going to get a new Vive headset. I'm kind of leaning towards the Pro 2. Yeah, it's a bit pricey, but you know, since I already have the stuff, and buying the headset by itself, not that big a deal. So anyway, I'm gonna go and set this up and test it out. So, this is Gamer Caleb signing out. You have a good day, and look forward to hopefully some future VR videos.
Suck it up, life's tough, we know that. Someone's got better stuff and can throw cash. Tell them I don't give a fuck, make my own path. I don't need no handouts, I'm my own man. Gotta get it, I'll get it and fast, yeah. Got a girl and she'll get it, she bad, yeah. Man, I only get down with the best, I'ma leave the complaints with the rest,